edge, 450-degree rate of roll with Joel displaying to maximum effect there. Smoke is off, holding almost motionless, hammer-heading back down, tumbling over the tail.
I can't even see, yaar.
And rolling again on the way down.
You can watch it, man. Video tape.
Little blip of the throttle just to make sure we know he's there. We can see you, Joel, don't worry. This is the sort of aircraft designed and built to compete at the highest level of aerobatic competitions. Which it is about exciting to watch as watching paint dry, because they're not displayed at low level like this. They're right up high for safety reasons in an imaginary box in the sky. So what Gerald's doing is showing us the sort of manoeuvres that would be performed during aerobatic competitions, but with a little bit of extra flair and flourish to entertain us all.
Yes, you can watch, okay? I have all captured, man, don't worry.
Gerald recently won the European Freestyle Aerobatic Championship in Slovakia, beating 21 of the best European aerobatic pilots. And then rolling into skid sideways the other way. So with that victory, Gerald became the first ever Brit to receive a gold medal in unlimited aerobatics in the history of aerobatic sport flying. And he's here performing just for us at Sunderland, and you haven't had to pay to see him. Wonderful. Alan Cassidy, MBE, who's the British Aerobatic Association chairman, explained Gerald was flying the XA-41 in only his second international competition in this radical new all-carbon high-performance monoplane among a field of 22 of Europe's top competition pilots. Gerald's innovative style, sometimes